Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this electric lunchbox from Samsho. This portable lunchbox comes with a manual, comes with a nice cute insulated lunch bag, one plastic case for your vegetables, fruits, desserts, you name it. And inside this case, it comes with two cord attachments, one for your vehicle and the other for the plug outlets. Each cords are about 32 inches long. This lunchbox handle feels strong and sturdy. This is nice that it comes with one set of stainless steel 7-inch utensils. This is what the lid looks like, and it is leak proof. This is what the container looks like. It is 304 stainless steel, and the capacity is 1.5 liters. After filling up this container with 1.5 liters of water, I am left with about a 1/4 inch space left to the rim. When adding dry foods to the container, it is recommended that you mix it with water so it's a little moist, or at least add oil to the bottom of the container so the food doesn't get burnt or to get stuck to the container. Before you walk away with the lid on, it is very important to have at least one steam outlet open, and there is 4 available. Coming back to the food, about 30 minutes later, my food is nice and warm.